Secretarybird. Precision on the plains. On Africa's open plains walks a bird unlike any other raptor. Long-legged, upright, deliberate. While most birds of prey search from the sky, the secretarybird hunts the ground, step by step across the grasslands it calls home. A raptor that walks. The secretarybird is native to sub-Saharan Africa and belongs to the same group as eagles and hawks. Yet its behavior is very different. Standing around 4 feet, 1.2 meters tall, with a wingspan of about 6 feet, 2 meters, it spends most of the day on foot, often walking 15 miles, 25 kilometers while searching for prey. Flight is used mainly for travel or reaching its nest. Hunting happens on the ground. The hunting method. The secretarybird is best known for its encounters with snakes, including venomous species such as cobras. When threatened or hunting, the bird delivers rapid, downward kicks with one foot, striking repeatedly with remarkable speed and accuracy. High-speed analysis shows these strikes generate significant force, enough to stun or disable prey. Its long legs are covered in thick scales, offering protection from bites. Wings are often spread slightly during an attack to help maintain balance. This is not aggression, it is controlled precision. More than a snake hunter. Despite its reputation, snakes are only part of the diet. Secretarybirds also feed on rodents, lizards, small mammals, ground nesting birds and large insects. They are opportunistic hunters, adapted to whatever the grasslands provide. Their height gives them a clear view above the vegetation, allowing them to detect movement others might miss. Its name. The bird's name comes from the long black crest feathers at the back of its head. Early observers thought these resembled quill pens once tucked behind the ears of office clerks or secretaries many decades ago. Its scientific name, Sagittarius serpentarius, means archer of snakes, a reference to both its hunting stance and its most famous prey. Life on the Savanna. Secretarybirds form long-term pair bonds and build large stick nests in thorn trees or acacias. These nests may be reused and added to over several years. The female usually lays 2 to 3 eggs, and both parents help raise the chicks. Young birds remain dependent for some time after fledgling, learning the slow, deliberate hunting style of their parents. A species at risk. Today the secretarybird is listed as endangered. Across parts of its range, populations are declining due to habitat loss, agricultural expansion, and disturbance of nesting sites. As open grasslands disappear, so does the space this ground-hunting raptor depends on. Keeper of precision. Tall, measured and unhurried, the secretarybird does not rely on speed from the sky. It succeeds through patience, awareness and precision, step by step across the plains. It's a raptor shaped by the ground beneath it, and a reminder that in nature, power is not always found in flight. So next time you see a secretarybird striding through the grass, remember, it's not just a walk, it's a hunt, a heritage, a harmony. The secretarybird is not just a stride, it is a keeper of precision. And this is just the beginning. If you enjoyed these wildlife insights, consider subscribing. And if you'd like to help me modernize resources and keep producing authentic, community-driven content, it would be of great assistance. Thank you. The link's in the description. Join us next time as we meet another amazing animal.